In this video, I'll show you how to access blocked websites using a VPN. We'll be using Surfshark. There's a link in the description where you can try Surfshark for a great price. Sometimes, websites or apps are blocked by your country, your internet provider, your school, or your workplace. This can happen for many reasons, but the result is the same. You try to open a website or app and it just doesn't work. A VPN is the easiest and safest way to get around this. A VPN changes your virtual location and hides your real IP address. This allows you to access websites and services that are restricted in your area. Let's take Telegram as an example. In Pakistan, Telegram is currently blocked. If you open the Telegram app without a VPN, it won't load properly. Messages won't go through and the app stays stuck on connecting. That's because the network is blocking it. Now let me show you how Surfshark can fix that. Start by clicking the link in the description to go to the Surfshark website. Sign up for an account if you don't have one already. Then download and install the Surfshark app on your device. It works on Android, iPhone, Windows, Mac and other systems. You can also use the browser extension if you prefer. Once you've installed the app, open it and log in. You'll now see a list of server locations. Since Telegram is blocked in Pakistan, we need to connect to a country where it's available. Scroll through the list and select a server where it is available. Then tap to connect. Wait a few seconds for Surfshark to secure the connection. Once you're connected, your IP address will show as if you're browsing from outside the country. Now go back to Telegram and open the app. This time, it should connect right away. Messages will load and you'll be able to use it normally. You have successfully bypassed the restriction. If it still doesn't work, try switching to a different Indian server. You can also go into the settings and turn on the No Borders mode. This helps Surfshark work in areas where internet restrictions are stronger. This method doesn't just work for Telegram. You can use it for any blocked app or website. Whether it's WhatsApp, YouTube, a news site, or a streaming platform, Surfshark can help you unlock it in seconds. That's how you use Surfshark to access blocked websites and apps safely and easily. You'll find the link in the description if you want to try Surfshark for a great price.